Let's start a new sketch on top plane, and let's go to the next feature. We have trim. If you expand it, you have trim entities or extend entities. So let's first work with the trim entities. Let's create some intersecting lines. So now we have these three lines, and now we have the excess line in here and here. So let's try to trim that line to look better. We can use the trim. So in the trim you have 5 different types of trim. The easiest one to use is power trim. It is automatically detect your trimming object and do your trim. So to use the power trim, just keep clicking on the left mouse and make a line. So you are trimming, and again holding the left mouse button, move, then you are trimming. Control C. Let's activate trim. We have power trim. You can also trim both of them at once by clicking or drawing that trimming line. And the next one is the corner. Let's make Control C. The corner, this is from its name. You have to select 2 lines, then you're going to trim the corner to that corner. So let's again select this one, so we have that corner is trimmed. Let's make another line, trim corner, this line and this line. So you are trimming to that corner which you used. And you have different types of trimming. They are quite need some selection or some kind of special sketches, but the most used are the power trim. Can do most of the job. So let's have an idea how to use trim away inside. We have these 2 edges. Let's make lines. Let's activate the trim and trim away inside, so you can understand from that or from the figure the type of trim. So let's select this line and this line. So we have this. So you're trimming the inside. So Control C. So let's trim away inside. Select that line, this line. Now you are able to trim everything in between these 2 lines. If you select that, so you are trimming. Control C. Let's try the next type, trim away. This line, select. So now you are doing the opposite, trim away outside. And now you have the trim to closest. So make Control C, trim to closest. So if you select that edge, so it will be trimming to the next closest edge. So this is about trim. And now let's try to use the extend. The extend is trying to extend your lines more. So let's have this shape, and now you have this edge is short and we need to extend it to meet the second edge. You can use that with the extend entities, and now you notice you extended that line to be one long line. So you have your triangle. Now you can trim, use power trim that edge So you have your triangle. And also let's try to extend these lines. Extend, select that line, you extend it to the next edge, as well this line. So I guess now it is clear the trim and the extend entities feature in sketching.